So now we're going to learn about the principle of unity. And you're going to start by reading about the principle of unity and describing how you see it in this piece of art. And then there are some ways to create unity using size or proximity, color or shape examples. And then you're going to look at this self-portrait by Van Gogh and describe 2 ways that you see unity in the self-portrait by Vincent van Gogh. In the next slide, you're going to look at the poster examples and then tell me how unity was created in each poster, just by typing. Okay? Then you are going to go to Insert Image, search the web, and find poster examples that show unity, and then insert it into the space on the right. There's actually instructions right there on the left for you. And then you're going to find another example and describe how unity was created in that example. Okay? Then you are going to create your own designs that show unity through the element listed below each mini canvas. So for the first one, it's color. The one on the left, the example is done through shape, triangles. So we're going to create unity using color in this example. Okay, once you do those, you're going to go to the next slide and you're going to create another design that demonstrates unity, and then underneath you're going to write out how unity was created in your design. Okay? So I'm just going to use circles to create my design, and I'm also going to stay in a warm color palette. Okay, so on this next slide, you're going to be asked to create unity through the repetition of an element of art. You will use a different element of art in each box. And what you're going to notice when you're done is the whole piece of art isn't going to look unified, but each quadrant will look very unified, or it should when you're done. Now, just so you guys know, this is just an example. This is my art. You're supposed to create your own art. So don't try to replicate what I'm doing. You do it yourself, okay? Create your own design. Okay, so in this first quadrant, I'd already started doing lines in her hair. I'm going to move my text box out of the way, the instructions. And then I'm just going to do this first quadrant for you. But the final example is the last slide of this video. Okay? So for the next few slides, you're going to have a chalk talk discussion, which your teacher should break you up into groups using Zoom, and then you guys will be able to type and answer the questions that are given regarding each of the posters shown. So on this one, you're going to tell us how you believe unity was created. And what you do is you draw a text box, and then you choose a color. So like say you're pink or red or blue, and then you can draw an arrow if you're responding to someone's comment. But your teacher will go through these rules with you in more detail. Okay, so you're going to do that on the next few slides, all right? Or maybe your teacher can take out a couple if she doesn't want you to do all of them. Turn in your worksheets to your teacher according to her instructions. Fill out the rubric where you think you fell on this assignment, and then turn that back in. Hope you guys have fun with these.